loves, it's Vikishub here. So today I'll be reviewing another DIY item I've done in the past. So actually I do get questions mostly from my friends or people around me. How long does the design I make, how long does it last, or does it wash out and stuff like that? I do get that question a lot. So I started getting the idea that probably most people feel like the DIY designs doesn't last or is a waste of time and all that. So I just wanted to make sure that I input faith in DIYs, alright, because it does stay. It's not all, I'm not gonna say all, but most of it does stay if you use the right method or the right tools for it. So for example, right, this was one of the DIYs I did in the past. Now I did same kind of design like earlier times when I first started, experimenting the DIY thing. I used a glue, not fabric glue. I used the sorry pot mulch, but it started breaking and going off. But this time around I came to understand that fabric glue was better. So because I used the fabric glue, it hasn't moved. So today I'm actually reviewing this particular shoe. So what happened is I did this like probably last 2 years or so. I'm gonna check it later, but most of the time I make my videos like all at once or within a particular time, and then I upload as the time goes on, right? I don't necessarily upload as soon as I make the video. Sometimes they are quite old. So today I'll be reviewing this one. So I did this some time back, and I think I uploaded it like maybe last year or so. And I've been wearing this quite a lot also. I stepped on quota, so please um don't feel disgusted, but this is just a quota I stepped on when they were repairing the road here. So the stones are still same. I don't think even one has moved from its spot, all right? They are still just as when I first did the DIY on them. So because I used a fabric glue as well, the thing just, I think it just sunk into the stone just sunk into the shoe. I don't know how to explain, but it just stayed pretty perfectly on and strong and hasn't moved since then. So I'm just gonna try it on and show you guys once more, and I'm gonna insert a little clip as well as to how I did this the first time. It was just quite easy, just fabrically and place the stones on, and that's it. All right, so